Hey folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at a problem that wants us to create an expression to represent this situation. So, and then you use that expression. So, this is a problem coming from a CPM course 2, and this is section 9.1.1, specifically number 9-57. So, it says red apples cost $1.20 per pound, and green apples cost $1.50 per pound. So write an expression to represent the total cost X pounds of red apples and Y pounds of green apples. So these are my variables, right? Are variables that represent, in this case, the number of pounds. So X is the number of pounds of red apples. So the number of, right? The amount. And then if I know red apples are $1.20 per pound, if there were 10 pounds, if this number was 10, I'd go 10 times that to figure out total cost, right? So I want an expression to represent total cost. So no matter what that number is, whatever number of pounds will be multiplied by that. So my expression for that part would be 120x, right? $1.20 per pound of red apples. That's my first expression. And then it says for y is the pounds of green apples. So green apples cost $1.50 per pound. So there it would be $1.50 per pound, and this is that y. Y is the number of pounds of green apples. So I want an expression to represent the total cost of both red apples and green apples. So that represents red apples, right? And this represents green apples. But if I want them together, I just got to put a plus sign. I'm adding them together. So that's the expression to represent total cost of red apples plus green apples. All right. So now we've got that established. So now it goes on and says, what is the total cost if you buy 3 pounds of red apples? So what does that tell me? That tells me X is equal to 3. I want to know what is the answer if X equals 3. And then, and what else? 2 pounds of green apples. And what is that? That tells me Y equals 2. So I plug those values into my expression. So it's $1.20 times 3, right? Remember that when you have it's multiplication going on between those variables and the coefficient. And then I'm adding that to $1.50, right, times 2. So 3 times $1.20 makes $3.60, plus $1.50 times 2 makes just $3 even. If I add those up, I get an answer of $7.60. So that's the total cost with this situation using the expression I created. Okay, there we go.